Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we have this interesting problem that has been giving a lot of people some challenges. So we are going to solve this problem and get it done as fast as possible. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's get started. So let's concentrate on this root of 2. This root of 2, let me copy it down here, can be written as root of 2 times root of 2 divided by root of 2. Okay, we haven't really changed anything. You know, root of 2 divided by root of 2 is 1, and 1 times root of 2, we still get back root of 2, right? So let's multiply this out. Root of 2 times root of 2, we have 2 over root of 2, right? So this can be written as 2 into 1 all over root of 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and replace this root of 2 with this. So we're gonna have 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 into 1 all over root of 2. So from this identity, a raised to the power of mn equals to a raised to the power of m raised to the power of n. Okay, so from this identity we can write this in this way, right? So we're gonna have 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 1 all over root of 2. Okay, so let's concentrate on what we have here. So we have 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2. So 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 equals to 1 over 4. Okay, if you concentrate on this, all right? Now, so this is now equals to 1 over 4 raised to the power of 1 over root of 2. Okay, so let's focus on 1 over root of 2. Okay, 1 over root of 2 can be written as root of 1 all over root of 2. Okay, you know, root of 1 is 1 over root of 2, so it simply means the same thing, right? So we can also write it this way: square root of 1 over 2. Okay, and this can be written as 1 all over 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, so we are going to replace this with this. All right, so we're gonna have 1 over 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2 then power again 1 over 2. Okay, so let's consider this parenthesis 1 over 2, and let me copy it out here. So I have 1 over 2. This can be written as 1 over 2 raised to the power of 1. All right, we can also be written as 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 times 1 over 2. Okay, 2 times 1 over 2 will give you 1. All right, now from the identity that we used before, we have a raised to the power mn equals to a raised to the power m raised to the power of n. Okay, if we apply this identity here, we're gonna have 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, so this is what we are going to get if we apply this identity to this. Alright, so let's go ahead and replace this with this, right? So if we square this is gonna give us 1 over 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, so we are going to substitute this for this, right? So let's use this part of the board. Okay, so we're gonna have 1 over 4 raised to the power of 1 over 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Then we have successfully replaced this 1 over 2 with this. Okay, so that's why we have this. Okay, then remember there is still 1 over 2 here, so we're gonna have raised to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, so now let's consider this. Okay, let's concentrate on this now. Now let's make use of this identity. You have the same identity we have been using. A raised to the power m of n equals to a raised to the power n raised to the power of n. Okay, if we apply this identity here, right, so we're gonna have, let's make use of this part of the board. We have equal sign here, 1 over 4 raised to the power of 1 over 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. Okay, so we're gonna have 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. All right, if we apply this trig identity here, all right, so this will multiply this and we're gonna write it this way now. So this now equals to 1 over 4 raised to the power of 1 over 4 raised to the power of 1 over 4. Okay, so let's now bring back the left hand side of the equation, right? We have y raised to the power of y raised to the power of y equals to 1 over 4 raised to the power of 1 over 4 raised to the power of 1 over 4. Okay, so if you compare this and this, you will discover that our y equals to 1 over 4. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for updates on videos, and please also click on the notification icon for updates. Thank you and goodbye.